so we're in a suite, and so we get free laundry. We've never used it, and we wondered how much can actually fit in the bag. So we got a pile of laundry on the bed here. We got one of the bags, and we're just going to inventory it as we put it in and see how much we can fit in. This way you know. And we got a price list too, so don't worry. It's good. All right, so here is the pile of laundry. We have some pants, t-shirts, shorts. We got a sweater, some socks, more shorts, more t-shirts. You know, the normal stuff you bring on a cruise.
Well, no undies.
No undies, yeah. We do need to wash them, but they're just not here. So Liz is gonna grab the bag. It's a good sized bag. And let's see, like, if we can just stuff them in there, or if we roll them in there, will it get any more? So let's do the stuffing method first.
We'll start with the shorts.
All right. Yeah, just let's stuff them in. What? No, just stuff them in.
No, I think...
All right, we're going to do the roll. Well, we'll do the roll method, and then we'll do the stuff method. So it's going to be a little noise, obviously. It's a paper bag, so. So she's going to roll things up and see how much we can fit in there. Don't worry, I'm sure she'll 2x or 3x this, so it'll be like really quick rolling.
They won't hear it if you say that.
All right. Here comes the 2 or 3x. All right. So far, she has 4 pair of shorts in there. First t-shirt. Again, we're using the roll method to see if we can get more stuff in here, or if we just jam it in there and step on it. We'll see. And 2 t-shirts. It's our new t-shirt from Tom and Terry. 3 t-shirts. What do we got left? A couple more t-shirts. This does an amazing job of folding laundry. 4 t-shirts. Going for a 5th t-shirt. Alright. 4 shorts. 5 t-shirts. Got a pair of, looks like yoga pants here. Yep. Alright, so again, decent size. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Alright, so 4 shorts, 5 t-shirts, a pair of socks.
Here's another t-shirt.
Coming up on the 6th t-shirt. Pair of yoga pants.
And another t-shirt.
And another t-shirt. So look at 6? 6 or 7?
No. Are you supposed to be able to close it?
I don't know. Oh, okay. So she's still squeezing it back down. Oops, she broke it. Alright, so there you go. Looks like we're going to confirm, but we're going to empty it out, and we'll be right back, and we'll get an actual count of everything that's in there. Alright, so now we're taking everything out. So we have 2, 3, 4 pairs of cargo shorts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts, a pair of socks, and a pair of yoga pants. All fits in the bag. So the pricing for the bag itself, I think, is $15 if you're not in a suite. So let's look.
No, it's based on what you put in there.
Oh, okay. So there you go. So shorts. Oh, that's pressing. That's valet.
Oh.
Here we go. Regular cleaning. No, I don't know. What is this? VIP. They're all the same. Wash and fold service. Oh yeah. Platinum member wash fold service is $15 a bag.
Wait,
Right there.
what?
Right there. Additional bag. Oh no, it's free. The additional bags will be $15.
Okay, you were right about the 15.
Yep. So yeah, that's 4 or 5 days worth of material, give or take, for $15. I think it's a pretty good deal.
Okay.
What?
The smells. Let's put it back in the plastic.
So let us know what you think in the comments, and if you have any questions, let us know.
Okay.